Real estate investing is often seen as something only available to the wealthy, but the truth is, you don't need a fortune to get started. With the right strategies, you can begin investing in real estate even if you don't have a large amount of cash. In this guide, we'll cover several ways to break into real estate investing with limited funds. 1. House hacking. One of the most accessible ways to start investing in real estate with little money is through house hacking. The idea is simple. You buy a property, live in one part of it, and rent out the other parts. This could mean buying a duplex, triplex, or even a single-family home with extra rooms. The rent from your tenants can help cover your mortgage, reducing your housing costs or even allowing you to live for free while building equity in the property. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you don't have the capital to buy property outright, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer an alternative. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without having to own or manage properties. Purchasing shares in a REIT, you invest in a portfolio of properties that are managed by a company. Many REITs can be purchased like stocks, and you can start with as little as a few $100s. They're a great way to get exposure to real estate without the hassle of property management. 3. Partner with other investors. Another strategy for investing in real estate with little money is to partner with other investors. If you don't have enough capital on your own, you can find a partner who does. In exchange for your expertise, time, or ability to find deals, you can contribute to the investment. The partner brings the money, and you bring the skills. This can be a win-win arrangement and allow you to get into deals that would otherwise be out of reach. 4. Seller financing. In some cases, you can purchase property using seller financing. This means that instead of getting a loan from a bank, the seller of the property finances the sale. You make monthly payments directly to the seller, often with more flexible terms than traditional financing. Seller financing can be a great option if you don't qualify for a conventional mortgage, or if you want to avoid large down payments. This allows you to acquire property with little upfront cash. 5. Lease options. A lease option, also known as rent-to-own, allows you to control a property without having to buy it outright at first. In this arrangement, you rent a property with the option to buy it later. A portion of your rent payments may be applied toward the purchase price. This strategy lets you gain control of a property for relatively low upfront costs and gives you time to save for a down payment while also benefiting from any property appreciation during the lease period. 6. FHA loans. If you're buying a home to live in, one option is to use an FHA loan. These government-backed loans are designed for first-time homebuyers and only require a small down payment, sometimes as low as 3.5%. While FHA loans are intended for primary residences, they can be used for house hacking, where you live in one unit and rent out the others. This allows you to get started in real estate investing with minimal upfront cash. 7. Wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling is another way to invest in real estate with little money. In wholesaling, you find a property below market value, put it under contract, and then sell the contract to another buyer at a higher price. You don't need to purchase the property yourself. Instead, you act as the middleman and make a profit on the difference between the price you negotiated and the price the buyer is willing to pay. Wholesaling requires little upfront investment and is a great way to learn the ins and outs of real estate transactions. 8. Live-in, then rent strategy. With the live-in, then rent strategy, you buy a home, live in it for a few years, and then rent it out after you move. This allows you to take advantage of lower interest rates and smaller down payments for primary residences. Once you're ready to move, you can turn the home into a rental property. Over time, you can accumulate more properties using this strategy, building a portfolio with relatively low upfront costs. 9. Crowdfunding platforms. Real estate crowdfunding platforms, like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, allow you to pool money with other investors to buy properties. You don't need to be a millionaire to participate. Many platforms let you start with just a few $100s. Crowdfunding is a hands-off way to invest in real estate, as the platform handles property management and decision-making. 10. Buy a fixer-upper. Finally, you can invest in real estate with little money by purchasing a fixer-upper. These properties are often sold at a discount because they need repairs. With some sweat equity and minimal upfront investment, you can renovate the property and either rent it out or sell it for a profit. Be sure to carefully calculate the repair costs to ensure the investment is worthwhile. With these 10 strategies, you can start investing in real estate even if you have limited funds. Whether you're house hacking, using a lease option, or investing through crowdfunding, there's a path for everyone to get into real estate and begin building wealth.